Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I went just casually looking around at Goodwill and I found some amazing stuff. And luckily I have two Goodwills within 15-20 miles of my house. So I went to two different ones because what I found at the first one got me so hooked and addicted to finding more, I couldn't stop. So here is my Goodwill haul with brass. Brass, 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 brass. Everything is brass. Brass. Brass! So I am going to show you my amazing finds of brass and see how they turn out. Here we go. Okay, so this is one of the things that I got at Goodwill. It is a brass bowl or pot. It's got little hearts cut out of it, and it's not in too bad of shape. I mean, I think I can clean this up really good, and the price was $2.99. This was not half off, but I am happy. I don't know, we'll see if that spot gets off. If not, the other one is just fine. We'll just stick the bad spot in the back. The other one is a much smaller bowl, which I just love the shape of this. I wish I could have found this in a bigger size. I will probably look around for a bigger size, but I love this big size. And this price is $1.49. Oh, no. There it is, Goodwill. $1.99, so $2. And I think this will clean up good. It doesn't have any really bad spots on it. It's got a few black spots, but I think that we can clean it up. And if not, it's all on one side. We'll just stick that on the back side. Okay, so here are some little candlesticks, but they are very heavy. They are very dark. They look still very nice right now, like an antique brass, but looking underneath, oh, I can polish these up easy. Easy cheesy. And I got a matching set. And yeah, I think these are going to look really good after they're all polished and stuff, because you see what that looks like. But then you look underneath, it could look like that. So I got these. Oh, here we go. They were both $1.99, $1.99. So $4, which is more than pretty much anything that I got today. Now this, I went back and forth, but I couldn't stand it. And I went back and got these. I don't know if I'm going to put this in my living room. I'm pretty sure I'm going to put this in my living room. And it hangs on the wall. And it just needs to be cleaned up. Oh my God, this is going to be so pretty on the wall. Love this. And this, again, there's two of them. And they had two different prices on them. So when I went to the register and I pointed that out, and again, it's a blue tag. So that was what, 50% off today on blue tags. She went ahead and gave me both of them for, so $1.99. And then one said $3.99. And so what she did, she gave me both for $3.99, and then I got 50% off that, so I got these for $2. And I love them. Can't wait to polish them up, put them on the wall. Now, either someone has already cleaned these, but I have been around brass my whole life. So either this is plated, which is still very pretty, and this is two of them, and you hang them on the wall. I'm going to put those in my bedroom on either side of my bed. But these are, I think, either plated or, but they're so heavy. If they are real, someone already polished them really well. So we'll see. You can always tell because they'll turn black on you and you have to shine them up again. And then this was also at the same place. So I don't know if the same person, this came out of the same house and they were cleaning them up and then tried to sell them. But these are nice candles. And again, $1.99 for this set. And blue sticker, 50% off. So I got these for $1. And I love them. And of course, I like brass. I've been around brass my whole life. My uncle had a brass store when I was little. I have these brass candlesticks here I have had since I got married. My mother gave me, and she kept them in her house for years. So there's the other one over there. And over here, my uncle's store was called the Brass Crab. And this was some of the stuff that he sold. It's a brass crab. So I have a lot of brass in my house, and when I saw this stuff, I thought, I'm gonna get them all. So there's all of my brass haul from, so there's my brass haul from the Goodwill. Okay, I wanted to stop and take a break and show you how far I got. Of course, you know, those and these did not need any polishing because they were already shiny. But as you can see, the difference between these two, that's not polished, and that is a shiny mirror finish on this one. Pretty huge difference. But I will polish this one now. And here is my big bowl with the hearts on it. Looks nice and shiny. And this pretty one here. Cleaned it up really good too. But the biggest transformation, and the one that I am most happy about, are these. Whoa, look at that. Do you remember this one? Do you remember? I thought this was just going to be like a dirty looking antique. Maybe that was the finish. And nope. It is this beauty, shiny, smooth, polished candlestick. Look at that. Look at the difference. I mean, seriously, people. But yes, I am going to finish polishing this one to make it look like that one, and polishing this one to make it look like that one. So here is all of my brass that I got at Goodwill. I have polished it up. It looks like $1 million in my opinion. I am so happy. It just is so shiny and pretty. And so I'm going to point out some things, okay? So this was already shiny, so I didn't need to do a lot of polishing. This was shiny, but I still did a little bit of polishing because it did have a few scuffed up marks on it, but it looks fine now. Now, as you remember, these were kind of a little bit bad, but they are beautiful and shiny now. And of course, this bowl was a little bit okay. It had a really bad black mark on it. Let's see, where is it? Where'd it go? There it is. You can't see it. It's just a little gray spot. You see that? That was that black and blue rust spot. I polished it down and got it down to that little spot right there. Let's see here. Let's see, where is it? There it is. You see it right there? Right there. See that little gray dull circle right there? That is the spot that was black and blue, rusted, and I polished it down to that. Now in a few weeks I am going to upload a video showing you exactly in detail how I polished my brass and how I got off all of these really bad spots. But as you can see, close up, it looks great. And shiny. Inside doesn't, but I'm going to be putting a faux plant or foliage inside and put it in my bookshelf. Now this big old boy here, I can see myself in it. It's so shiny. Now this was really bad shape. There was an area, let's see if I can find it, like a big circle of black, like it just was laying on its side in water for a long time. And I am turning it, and I think that's it. You see it? You see a little bit of dark. It's still brass, but it's still a little dark. See that? That is that big black spot that you saw earlier. You can barely see it now, but that is it. And there's the dent, but that is the rest of it. But oh my God, I'm so happy with all of it. But I am very happy, very, very happy with how these turned out. Look at those. Look at those. But look how pretty. Look how shiny. Do you remember what they looked like before? And it will be these candlesticks that you are going to see in the video on how I cleaned them. And my little tricks to get the really black stuff off. I will tell you all that too. But that is it. That is my amazing. I don't think I could be doing this. I could go to Goodwill 2 times a week for 10 years and probably never get this much brass in one day. I am just so excited, so happy I found this stuff, and I am going to put it all through my house. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time. Bye. Alright, so I just wanted to quickly show you the final piece. This is my brass sconces. They hold 3 candlesticks, and I'll put them in my living room behind my couch. And I think they look really good. I don't know, do you think I should? The candlesticks are kind of blending into the wall, you can't see them. Should they be taller? Should I put them up a little higher? Or is that good? That's middle of that picture. I thought that would be a good place, but let me know in the comments below. Now over here, I have the 2 candlesticks in the large pot that I polished up over here. They turned out so good. And over here, I have the small pot next to my brass crab. I thought it just looks like something you would find in a treasure. I just like the shape and style of this pot. I call it a pot. What do y'all call it? A bowl? I think it's a pot. And here are my other 2 in my bedroom. I ran out of candlesticks. I bought a big old box of candlesticks and I ran out. So I need 4 more to put in this. And over here, I have those 2 candlesticks that were already polished. I put them next to my bed. I think they're real pretty right there.